Hello guys, today I will teach you how to set screen lock on an Android device. So set screen lock on an Android device. You can set up a screen lock to help secure your Android phone or tablet. Each time you turn on your device or wake up the screen, you will be asked to unlock your device, usually with the PIN, pattern or password on same devices. You can unlock with your fingerprint. Important, some of these steps work only on Android 10 and up. Set or change a screen lock. Important to insecure your automatic and manual backups are encrypted with your screen lock. Use a PIN, pattern or a password. Open your phone setting app, tap security. If you don't find security, go to your phone manufacturer support site for help. To pick a kind of secure screen lock, tap screen lock. If you have already set a lock, you will need to enter your PIN, pattern or password before you can pick a different lock. Tap the screen lock option you would like to use. Follow the on-screen instructions. Screen lock option. No lock. None. Your phone stays unlocked. This gives no protection, but you can get to your home screen quickly. Swipe. Swipe your finger across your screen. This gives no protection, but you can get to your home screen quickly. Standard locks. Pattern. Draw a simple pattern with your finger. PIN. Enter 4 or more numbers. Longer pins tend to be more secure. Password. Enter 4 or more letters or number. A strong password is most secure screen lock option. Get to know your Android phone. Learn how to use your Android device and get the most out of Google. Get step by step guides and instructional videos on how to set up your phone, customize your setting and use apps. Mode in mobile phone. Top 4 uses of aeroplane mode. What is airplane mode in mobile? Why you should switch off mobile phone on airplane? How to use internet mobile data in flight mode on Android phone. Auto airplane mode problem in Android. 3 ways to 100% solution. Fix can't turn off airplane mode in Windows 10. Why your phone has to be on airplane mode during a flight. How to use 4G internet data in airplane mode. Easy fix airplane mode won't turn off on Dell and Lenovo and Windows laptops. Why phones have to be on airplane mode on flight. How to turn on Bluetooth on Windows to very easy. How to turn on Bluetooth setting for Windows 10. Windows 10 Bluetooth on off button missing. Bluetooth not working. PC and laptop problem solved. 6 ways to fix no Bluetooth in device manager on Windows 10 8.7. How to fix Bluetooth icon missing from Windows 10. How to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 7. Fix Bluetooth not showing in device manager icon missing Windows 10 8.7. Bluetooth device not working on Windows 10. How to fix Bluetooth device not working on Windows 10. Bluetooth missing from device manager Windows 10. How to show hidden Bluetooth icon in Windows 7. Enable Bluetooth icon in Windows 7.